Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can edit drop down list in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I created a drop down list. So here if I want to edit this list, so I will show you how you can easily do it. So firstly select the cell. So after that you will see data options, so just click on it and then you can see data validation option, so click on it, and here you can see allow options. In allow options always select list. So after that you can see source option, so just click on it, and here remove this, and here you can select number of days which you want to add. So for example I want to add these days, so after this click on it and then click on OK. So you can see when I will click on it there are only 3 days. So guys, in this way you can edit drop down list in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.